Hey everyone, it's Anna and Elena from PNW Blanks and Sublimation, and today we're going to show you the unboxing of the PNW Signature Multifunction Tumbler Press. When you receive it, you will receive the machine and attachments all together in one box. You'll get the standard 11 to 15 ounce mug attachment, and when you purchase from us, you will also receive the 20 ounce skinny tumbler attachment at no additional charge. You'll get the power cord, the machine itself, which is very compact and lightweight at only around 13 pounds, and you'll also receive the instruction manual. When you get your model from us, the control panel here will actually be light pink in color. When you receive your machine, both attachments will be included and come unattached from the machine. Elena is going to demonstrate how easy it is to both install and change out the attachments. There are 4 screws. And it's as easy as just sliding the attachment in, lining up the holes, and replacing the screws. You want to make sure that the machine is completely off at this time, as it does heat up and gets quite hot. You will also want to make sure that the machine is cooled down before you change the attachments. And that is the 11 to 15 ounce coffee mug attachment that Elena just installed. And she'll also show how to connect the machine. The power cord plugs in right into the back. And that's where you will find the power switch as well. And the last thing you'll want to do is plug the attachment into the control panel. After that, you can turn it on and you're all set to go. Once we turn the press on, we'll want to set the temperature and the time. For example, let's start with a ceramic 11 ounce mug, and we will set the target temperature to 355 degrees, the printing temperature to 365 degrees, and the time to 135 seconds. To set the target temperature, you will press the set button once, adjust the temperature with the up and down arrows, and then press set again. This is to do your printing temperature. You want to set that for 365 degrees, press set again, and the time will be 135 seconds. Once you press set again, the machine will start heating up.